Hey, what is up, everyone? And welcome back to another episode. Today is we will be going over binary tree, priority queues, and heap. So a binary tree is basically we're thinking of a notepad here. So, all right, online. No, let's do online. All right, so this is from okay. So what we're doing here is we're gonna root to 5 and then build mini trees after that. So what I mean by that is, okay, we're gonna do 5 and let's center this. I know this isn't the prettiest thing. Then we're gonna build subtrees after that. So we're gonna do 3 and 8. So left and right, and then left, 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 right. Okay, so 3 and 8. Back here, 3 and 8. And next thing we're going to do is we're going to see here is going to do left left 2 and left right 2. 4, sorry. 2 and 4. So you're building a tree. So here's 5 is your root. Then you have your left tree, which is 3. And then what's after that is 2 and 4. And then 8 is just by itself sitting on the right side. All right. So what's happening now is that what we're doing is I create a structure called node. All right, so I just say, hey, integer data, node pointer left, node pointer right. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to do a node pointer root, and we have to root the 5 first. Then we're going to say, hey, in that root, we're going to point to the left and give it a node 3. And then, as you can see, when it goes to the node 5, it comes up here, integer value, and then it tells us, hey, it's left or right, right? Then it goes again, point to the right, node 8, and then it's going to input all this information. It's going to go up here, run through the checks, and come back. And then it's going to be saved in its tree, right? So next we're going to do the printout, which is in order traversal route. So then we're going to run it, and we're going to print out the left and the information and the data, and then we're going to do the right. Okay. So let's go ahead and click run, and you see it 2 3 4 5 2 3 2 3 4 5 8. So 2 3 4 5 8. If you go back here, so 2 3 4 5 8, because we're printing it backwards. 2 3 4 5 8. Okay. All right. So that's going to be my interpretation of binary tree. Priority queue is pretty cool. We're giving numbers priority. So the higher the number, the more priorities that it gets, right? So um, so we call for that library called queue, and then we create it kind of like vector, right? Give it. I'm going to name it. Sorry, it says priority queue, and it's the integer, and it's going to be called PQ. So we call for that that variable, and then we're going to push the number 10 to it and push into the element, right? 10, 7, 15, 3, 20, right? So just remember, the higher the number, the higher the priority. And then now we're going to print it out. So we just want to make sure that the element is not empty, and we don't see it empty. If it is empty, then we're not going to print anything out. Since it is empty, it's going to print out. So we're just going to print out from the top, and then every time we print out something, we pop to remove it, correct? So we're going to pop it. So print out and pop it. So as you can see, print out from the highest queue, which is 20, 15, 10, 7, 3. Perfect. So that's my interpretation of priority queue. And let's go to Heap. Heap is cool. It's very unique. It's a little bit different, um, but I like it. All right. So we're going to use the math algorithm, and we're going to call for we're going to create an array, You give it 2, 4, 3, 8, 7, 6. But the thing about this is, first we're gonna need to get a integer size of the array. So that's why we gave it a integer n and the size of the array, and divided by the size of the array and the 0. Okay. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna create our little heap algorithm, our mini heap algorithm. What we're gonna do is we're gonna make the smallest number the parent, and every number after that the child. So that's what we're doing here, right? So great. And then after that, we're going to print out the array. So as you can see, it only prints out the size of the array, and it's going to print it out here. All right, so we're going to hit run. So it's 2, 3, 4, 5, and then now you can see it's going to print it in order. Cool, and that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed this episode, and looking forward to you guys finish this rest of the semester for you guys.